Hey, what's up everyone? Tim here from Everyday Tactical Vids. We have another Hunt Vault unboxing for you. Let's take a look inside. Hey, to start things off, I want to give a shout out to my cousin Andy. So Andy, what's up? Good to chat with you the other night, and thanks for checking out the videos here on Everyday Tactical Vids. All right, so as is true every time, you're gonna get your rundown of what's in the box. And this time they also have Hunt Vault times or with Luke Combs. And so for January 2020, it says every Hunt Vault plus Fish Vault, which is a new company that these guys have put together. A subscriber for January will receive a physical copy of the new Luke Combs album, What You See Is What You Get. 100 randomly selected subscribers will receive a specially autographed copy of that album, and then one subscriber and a guest will win a backstage Luke Combs concert pass for the experience in the near their hometown. Official entry included in January shipment. So that's pretty cool. We are in December 2019. This is coming up in 2020. Pretty cool. All right, our first item is this, which is the Solo Monocular. It's a 10 by 25. This is from Vortex, who makes great products. I think I have a set of Vortex binoculars. I have one that I use at home when I go out, and then I also keep binoculars in both my cars because I'll be driving and like see something off in the distance and I want to go look at it. But they make a great optic. So let me take this out of the box and this little bag that it comes in. That's what it looks like. It's a 10 by 25. Yeah, cool. If you've never used a monocular before as opposed to a set of binoculars, takes a little getting used to as far as using one, closing the other eye, not having something kind of big and chunky to hold on to compared to binoculars. The main advantage initially you're going to see is that it's just much smaller. It's not a big heavy thing around your neck. You can throw this on a belt or in a pack. So that's our first item from Vortex, and this is valued at 75 bucks. Here's our second item. It's from Pelican. It's the Vault case. This is the small one. They said the value for this is 40 bucks, and I think that's actually quite a good deal. I've seen these Pelican cases for a lot of money, so 40 bucks I think is quite good. You can see right there on the front, it says crush proof, dust proof, weather resistant, and locking hasps as well. So this thing is super rugged, I can tell you right off the bat. So there's your clasp system. Press in on that, press in on this. It opens up like so. Inside, just a little information. They do have foam pads in here, so if you want to do a cutout to put some stuff in there, you can do that. If you want it to go something to go a little bit deeper, you can take one of these out, and then another one out, and then the last one is a little bit smaller. That'll take you down to the bottom of the case. So whether it's transporting things you want to transport safely or just keeping things safe, here you go. And then you can see right there, you can put a lock through there. So 40 bucks. I don't think maybe I own one Pelican product as far as cases and stuff, but this is really nice. I'm looking forward to using that. Next up here we have some Broadheads. These are from Redneck. You can take a look at those up close there. And on the back says 100% American made, designed for ultra high speed bows and crossbows. Simple fixed blade option, trouble free and accurate. For complete hand assembly instructions, you can check out newarchery.com/instructions. 0.027 thick, razor sharp American made blades. And these things obviously are going to do some serious work when you're out there hunting. Actually just talked to a buddy, I don't know, probably 2 days ago, who was doing a bunch of archery hunting. So I'm probably going to pass these on to him because he is out there on a regular basis. So yeah, that's a new product valued at 40 bucks. This is the next product. It's a Badlands hat. As you can see, it's called the Goody Trucker. This one they're valuing at 30 bucks. I think that's just too high, honestly. I was looking at a cool hat yesterday over at Haley Strategic with their logo in woodland trucker hat, and it was like 25, so 30 bucks for this seems a little high to me. It is a cool hat, I definitely like it, but I'd say maybe 15, 18, 20 is what I'd be asking for that. But anyhow, cool hat. That's the next product in this month's Hunt Vault. All right, next up we have this, which is from Flextone, and it is called Jack the Reaper Long Range Distress Call, versatile open reed, patent pending lip cushion, improves grip, and rubber body for realistic inflection. So that's what it looks like. You can see you've got your little kind of basically your reed there. And then this is rubber, so you can adjust it as you're making your distress calls. I just messed around with it a little bit, but so the idea is that you're going to call in predators. Obviously, this is not just like it's not a duck call. First time I was ever introduced to anything like this was from a buddy in Pennsylvania who was pretty good at it, just doing these types of distress calls with his mouth for calling in coyotes. But there we have it, Jack the Reaper Long Range Distress Call. Last two things. This is valued at $5.50, which is, I think, pretty reasonable. These are the Kodiak Cakes. This is something they had similar in a past box. This one is as you can see, 100% whole grains up top there. They did have like a high protein version of this, which I actually really liked. And then this one is, let's see, 8 grams of protein makes about 3-4 inch flapjacks. So pretty good amount of protein for, you know, for flapjacks or pancakes or waffles, whatever it is. But again, if it was this way, they were charging like, you know, 20 bucks for this, I'd be like, too much. But for $5.50, that's a cool little thing to have in the pack or in the box. And then the last thing is this. It's a Hunt Vault decal right there. And that's just a bonus that they threw in. All right, guys, so that's your latest Hunt Vault. This is December 2019. Let's hear your thoughts as always. What do you like? What have you used if you have any of these products? And what would you change? What are you interested in? That type of thing. A reminder also that if you get Hunt Vault, it's just a little bonus, but they turn the box into a target. So the lid of the box, like when it opens up, you can stand it up like this and there's a target on the back for you to shoot at, which is kind of cool. All right, that's it for this one. Thanks as always for checking out the videos. Please subscribe to Everyday Tactical Vids if you haven't done so already. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, check us out on Instagram, Tumblr, and Vero as well. More videos coming soon. Take care.